Today we are going to be learning how to do the single crochet stitch. First of all, we are going to do a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your fingers and pull through the furthest away bit underneath with your hook and pull it tight. You are then going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through to do your first chain. You're then going to repeat this, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through again. You're going to continue this until you have done the correct amount of chains. The front side of your chain should be smooth and have a row of V's along it, whilst the back should have a little ridge with bumps along it. To do your first row, you are going to start in the second stitch along the chain. You're going to put your hook through the second stitch, and then you're going to pull the yarn through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then put your hook through the next chain, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through both loops again. Then repeat this. At the end of row 1, you are then going to turn your work and chain 1. You're then going to repeat row 1, starting in the first stitch. So you're going to put your hook through, pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through both stitches. Repeat this again. You have now finished 2 rows. You would then repeat this for however many rows you are doing.